Transporting your cargo just got a lot easier thanks to the Easy Loader ramps. Now you can easily load or unload your ATV or motorcycle. Why use awkward and dangerous loading ramps that take up valuable cargo space? Easy Loader ramps are the right tool for many situations because you'll always have your ramps with you. Our innovative patented design allows the ramps to conveniently store under the bed of your pickup or utility trailer. Easy Loader ramps can be quickly deployed without interfering with your license plate or spare tire placement. Just pull the ramps from their stowed positions, securely lock them into place, and extend them to the desired length. Easy Loader ramps are made from high-grade aluminum, so they are lightweight but very sturdy and durable. You can also use Easy Loader ramps as a walkway to conveniently load your cargo. And if you ever find yourself stuck in the ditch, just use your Easy Loader ramps to get the traction you need to pull out of a slippery situation. Easy Loader ramps, the extremely convenient and easy way to load your cargo.